And because Kaizen means continuous improvement, that's our company goal and our goal for your sales department and dealership. Now, if you want to improve your sales skills, learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and receive unbiased dealership vendor product and service reviews, make sure you subscribe and then turn on the bell so you never miss out on learning anything new.
Number 5, personalized response. Of course, be helpful. Focus on the visit experience. So one thing you could talk about is how fast and easy you're going to make it. Okay, by setting. So why would I want to set an appointment with somebody? Convenience. That's the best thing you got going for you is convenience and time. I mean, that's really the beautiful thing about time. It's our most precious commodity. You can't ever get any more of it back. So we all are similar. We only have 24 hours of it in one day, and we're all similar in the fact that at some point our time is going to be up. So we can get more money, we can get more of just about anything, but we can't get more time. So use that to your advantage. Hey, I can have the car all pulled up, gassed up, cleaned, cooled down, ready to go. If they've got a trade that they want to have looked at, you can say, now that'll make it a little more convenient when you get here. Then I can maybe get some info off there. We can get things going a little bit faster. So that's your big strength, to be able to tell a customer why they should come and set an appointment. Otherwise, why? I mean, again, it's kind of like the mall. I can just kind of come anytime, can't I?
Well, and one of the biggest fears of customers is how much time they're going to have to spend in the dealership.
Yeah.
I mean, that just drives them crazy. It drives me crazy.
Yeah, and you might even lead in by saying, now, remember there's that transition word, now. Now, to be respectful of your time, I want to go ahead and set up a specific time that we get together. That way I make sure I've slotted off all my time for you. I've got the car pulled up, ready to go. It's available, and we can save you some time and get you out of here so you're not here all doggone day. How does that sound? The customer's going to say yes. Obviously, they're going to like it.